Around 70% of the Earth's surface is made up of water. Water is very important for our survival. Early civilizations were based around water. But is it the same now? Is water as pure and clean as it was before? No, it is not. Water is getting polluted. You must have read in the newspapers that Ganga is facing pollution, Ganga water pollution, and so on. So what is happening? Water is getting polluted. The pollution of water is what we call water pollution, and this is because of any foreign substance in water which degrades the quality of water, and therefore the usefulness of water is gone. So any foreign substance, any harmful substance that degrades the quality of water and reduces its usefulness is something that leads to water pollution. And hence we say that water is getting polluted. So why is this water pollution taking place? There are different sources which cause this water pollution. For example, the domestic wastes. We use laundry products like detergents, etc. by bathing, by using the waste food which is directly discharged in the water bodies. So as all these things that are directly discharged in the water bodies, they lead to water pollution. Another source is the industrial waste. Industrial wastes like the waste from textile mills, we have hospitals, etc. All these industrial wastes, the chemical plants, they dump the untreated wastes directly in the water bodies. And hence, this also leads to water pollution. As the industrial waste is directly discharged in the water bodies, that leads to water pollution. Another source of water pollution is oil spill. Oil drilling and oil spills, we know that to extract oil from water, we have oil drilling plants inside the water bodies. But sometimes there is oil spill. This oil spill also leads to water pollution. Oil is insoluble in water, and one very detrimental effect of this oil spill is the death of birds. This oil is insoluble in water. It penetrates the bodies of birds and hence reduces the amount of dissolved oxygen, and hence it ultimately leads to the death of birds. So oil spill is detrimental in this effect. Another source of water pollution is the religious wastes. So the religious offerings like leaves, food, flowers, etc., they are also degrading the quality of water, and hence this is also a source leading to water pollution. So water pollution is a great threat for society today. We know water is very important for our survival, and hence it is our duty to ensure that we get clean, pure and safe water.